Welcome, my name is Jocelyn and today we have another Stitch Fix unboxing. This is one of my favorite videos to film. It is one of my favorite services and I'm so excited to share with you today. I am going to give a little brief overview of what Stitch Fix is just in case you are new, but I will have on the screen a timestamp of where you can click to in the video if you just want to see what I got in my box and don't want to hear all of the information because you already know the information. So for those of you who want a little bit more information, Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service. You sign up, I will have an affiliate link down below. Yes, I am an affiliate, which means if you use that link down below, I do get a little something something. So if you use that link down below, you do help me out and you do support my channel, so I do thank you. But long before I was an affiliate and long before they knew who I was using Stitch Fix and I was absolutely loving it, as you can see from the first few videos on my channel. So as I was saying, you click on that link down below, you create a profile with Stitch Fix, and then you fill out a style profile. The style profile goes very in depth on your measurements, your preferences, whether you like certain clothing items tighter or looser. If there's prints or clothing items that you never want to receive, they do send you things like shirts, blouses, jackets, sweaters, pants, shorts, dresses, skirts, shoes, handbag, and jewelry. All kinds of things. Basically anything you can put on your body, they could potentially send to you. So you give them as much information as possible. You can also link a Pinterest board, and then from there you style your first fix. You can choose how often you want your fixes sent to you. You can do it every month, you can do it seasonally, you can make it so you only schedule your fixes whenever you want them and you don't have a reoccurring subscription. Now, when you schedule a fix, there is a $20 styling fee, but that styling fee does get credited back to you if you choose to keep anything inside of your box. There are 5 pieces of clothing item in this box right here. If I choose to keep at least one item in here, I don't lose that $20. It just gets credited towards whatever item I choose to keep. If I don't choose to keep anything in this box and I send everything back, I do lose that $20. So there's that. I've never experienced that. I've always found at least 2 things in my Stitch Fix box that I love and want to keep. If you choose to keep absolutely everything in your box, if they just really nailed it and you love everything, you do get a 25% discount. And I have utilized that once or twice. And maybe I'll utilize it again today. Who knows? I have no idea what's in here, which makes it just that much more exciting. Without further ado, let me open her up. I'm so excited. I will do a bit of a try-on haul after I've finished opening everything up. Okay. Oh my gosh, I was literally about to just say that I've never gotten shoes from Stitch Fix, but I see a shoe bag in here and I am so excited. So I have my return envelope right here, so shipping is free both ways. So if you want to return anything, you don't have to pay anything. And then I do have my envelope right here, which has my price guide as well as my style guide inside of it. Let me show you real fast just what my box looks like. So in here I have a pouch with the clothing items, and then this right here are shoes. So all of the shoes come in this cute little sack right here. And again, I've never gotten shoes before, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and start with the shoes since that's just like the new thing and I've never gotten a pair of shoes before. They are, ooh, they're sandals. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wow. So I used to own a pair of sandals that were just like this. Well, they were close. They had blue straps instead of like this orange or brown strap. But I wore them so much that they broke. You guys, oh wow, I'm so excited. So these sandals, these are the Mia Karma strappy sandals in the size 6. I am loving this. I love that it's a neutral strappy sandal. It has a little bit of a cushion, which I really appreciate. I can't handle super hard shoes, so I'm really excited to try those on. I have a feeling those are gonna stay. And now we just have our satchel where we've got some clothing items. It looks like we probably have 3 shirts and a pair of shorts, maybe 3 pants. I don't know. Let's find out. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so here we have a strappy top and it's got kind of, not a slit, but it like overlays upon itself. It's kind of hard Can you see what that's doing right there? That's the front right there. Here is the back. So this is the Staccato Katara cross front tank top in the color burnt orange, size medium. I really like this patterning. I don't really love busy patterns, but this kind of floral, almost watercolor pattern is my cup of tea. So I'm really excited to try this on. And I think it kind of goes with the sandals. Yes. All right, so that's the first thing. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so this is just another light tank, which is perfect. The material on this makes me think that this is something I could wear to work with a blazer or some kind of sweater on top of it. This is the All in Favor Aloma Keyhole Cami blouse in the shade gray, size medium. This is definitely really pretty and I like it. Sometimes I've noticed with Stitch Fix though, this style of cami blouse can be kind of expensive, so we'll have to see. All right, next we have, oh wow, oh my gosh. So, well here, let me kind of show you a little bit better. But this is, I mean, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see what this is, but it's a kimono and it ties at the bottom. Oh my God, I really love this. Oh wow. So this is the West Key Costella tie front kimono in the shade navy and in the size medium. This is just kind of what the back looks like. The dark in here, I don't know how well you can tell, is a navy color. I love this floral pattern. I love this. I love this. I wonder if this would look, those would look really good together, wouldn't they? This is the cami underneath the kimono. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Finally, we have a pair of shorts. Ooh. Oh my God, am I about to love everything in this box? These are a pair of high-waisted shorts. Oh my gosh, they feel so comfortable. I love the distressing on them. This is what the back looks like. Okay, so these are by the brand Judy Blue, the Zoe Distressed Cuffed Short in the size 4. Yeah, those look like they'll fit. So I'm usually like a 4 or a 6, but I've noticed that with Stitch Fix clothing, I'm usually a 4. But I mean, who knows? All right. So I have all the goodies. Now it's time to look at the pricing guide. Well, actually, I'm gonna look at the style guide first. So I do have a style guide right here. Inside, we do have a note from my stylist as well as all of the pieces that she sent me and just kind of how to wear them, how to pair them. So let me read the note real fast and then we'll get on to the prices. For anybody who wants to know, my stylist is Lindsay, L-I-N-D-S-E-Y, and she has done so incredibly well. Ooh, this styling is actually quite a bit cheaper than my previous styling boxes. There's nothing over $50, which is pretty great, but everything's at least over $30. So there's that. It probably kind of evens itself out. All right, so let's go ahead. Well, the shorts are on top, so let's go ahead and talk about the shorts. The shorts are $42, which isn't an outrageous price, I don't think, for a pair of shorts, and especially if they fit really, really well, because I've been looking for more high-waisted shorts. I think I only have 1 or 2 pairs, and so if these fit good, I'm definitely gonna hold on to these. So these are $42. Okay, so next, what's next? Oh, next we have the kimono. The kimono is $44. You saw how much I love this thing. Then we have the keyhole cami blouse, which, as I predicted, was kind of expensive. It's $36. But if I loved everything else in the box, might as well keep that because it's cheaper to keep it than to send it back. Next we have the staccato shirt. This is $34, so this is the cheapest thing in the box. This is really, really cute and really soft material. And then finally, we just have the sandals. The sandals are the most expensive thing in the box, which kind of sucks because I know that I would wear the absolute crap out of these. These are $49, which it's kind of expensive, but for a good pair of sandals, I would absolutely, absolutely pay that because I wear sandals all day, every day during the summer, and again, would absolutely be worth it. Okay, so there are all of the prices. I'm really excited to try all of this on. So far, I love everything that I'm seeing in front of me, so let's go ahead and try everything. Oh, actually, I forgot to mention, the total cost of all of my items together is $205. If I decided to buy everything in my box, I would get $51.25 off, which would put my total at $153.75. Not too bad. I paid for the style pass, which is I think $49, and what that is it's a one-time charge of $49, and then you don't have to pay the $20 every month in a styling fee. So if I ever got a box where I didn't like anything in it, I wouldn't lose that $20. But you do have to pay that $49 up front, and that $49 does get credited to you on your next fix, just like the $20 would. So just heads up, I don't have the $20 fee. I paid $49 once, and then I got a free styling fee for the rest of the year, if that makes any sense. All right, so if I choose to keep everything, it'll cost me $153. So far, I'm loving everything. So let's see what everything looks like on. All right, so before I put a different top on, I did want to just show what the shorts looked like. So I really like them. I didn't tuck in back here, but I tucked in up here just so you could see where they hit. So my belly button is like right where the button is right here. I really love these. They're so comfortable. I do need to kind of iron the fold right here a little bit, but these are super comfortable, and they hit at the right spot on my stomach area. We got nice deep pockets in here, which is helpful. These are super comfortable. I really love these, and I definitely think that these are staying. So I'm really excited about these. Okay, let me put a top on real fast. All right, so here is the first top. I think this is the staccato top. It does come down really far in the back, which I thought was kind of weird, but it doesn't really bother me that much or anything like that, especially because it doesn't cover my pants totally. Like, you can still see them a bit. I might try and see what these look like with actual pants on instead of shorts. Maybe I would be a little more comfortable that way. I mean, the shirt itself is really comfortable. It's a really soft material. It hits properly. I think I could even wear a bralette with it instead of a strapless bra. I do really like it. I really like the pattern. I like the color. I want to try it on with pants. Let me go ahead and put pants on real fast, and then we'll see what it looks like with pants on. All right, so I put some pants on, and I like this a lot more with pants. It just feels a lot better. I really like the way that it looks. I actually got these pants from a past Stitch Fix and love them so much. I also put the sandals on, and I swear I wear a size 6, but for some reason these are a little bit tight, and which is kind of weird because sometimes I even wear a size 5.5. So I don't know why these are a little bit small on me. I wonder if they have a 6.5 and if that would fit a little bit more, because these do have an adjustable strap on them, so I could tighten them if I got a bigger pair, which sucks because they are really cute. I mean, you can see them. I'm not gonna get too close up because the nail polish on my toes is chipping, but I do really like the way that they look. I do really like this shirt, particularly with pants. I mean, the shorts looked okay, but I think with pants, it looks really good. You'll have to let me know. What do you think? I really like this outfit, actually. I feel like I would wear this all the time. All right, so I just have the cami and the kimono to go, and I'm really excited about the kimono. Before I put the kimono on, I thought I would just show you what this cami blouse looked like. This is the gray one. I mean, nothing spectacular. If I decide to keep everything else in the box, I'll probably keep this too, but if I'm sending something else back, I'll send this back. But I mean, I definitely don't not like this. It's comfortable, it's cute. Yeah, so I just thought I would show you this real fast before I put the kimono on top of it. All right, just like I thought, I absolutely love this. It's so comfortable, it's so cute. I absolutely love the color and the print of this. Oh my gosh, and it does look really cute with this cami. This coloring together and the keyhole right here, it looks really cute together. I could see myself wearing this in the spring, even the fall probably. I really love this. Okay, so this is for sure staying, for sure. Oh, okay. So here, I guess I could kind of try and show you what the back looks like a little bit. All right, so let me change out and then we will do a wrap up and I'll kind of try and make some decisions. All right, and we're back. So I did put this shirt back on and I put it on with a bralette, and it is a lot more comfortable this way and I like the way it fits more. So great, this fits. I really like this shirt. I am definitely keeping the shorts. I absolutely love the shorts, and definitely keeping the kimono. So these are stays. This is a stay. What I want to know is if they offer these sandals in a size 6.5. If they do, I'm gonna return those for the bigger size. And if they don't have those in a 6.5, I can actually check real fast. Dang it. All right, they only had a 6 in those, which means I'm returning them, which is sad. I really wanted to keep these. I really loved these, but they're too small. They're just too small. And because I'm sending those back, I'm also gonna send back this cami. I do really like this, and I think that it looked really good with the kimono, but I don't wanna spend the money on this because I think that this was, so the sandals were $49 and then this is $36. So I'm gonna send both of them back, which is a bummer, but I don't love the idea of spending $36 on this cami. So both of those are gonna go back, which is a bummer. So the kimono was $44. This tank top is $34, and then the shorts were $42. So that's $120. I do have some credits left from before I was an affiliate, so thank you so much to anybody who used my code before. If you would like to join Stitch Fix yourself and experience the joys of styling, you can click that link down below and get directed to the Stitch Fix website to fill out your own style profile. If you want to just click on it and fill out a style profile, you don't have to schedule a fix right away, but you can get started and you can kind of play around on their site and see what they have to offer. Thank you in advance if you do click on my affiliate link. It does help my channel out a lot, and it allows me to continue receiving a Stitch Fix and getting to keep some of these items. And also, I hope that you enjoy your Stitch Fix if you receive them. I know I have had at least 4 people in my life who have signed up for Stitch Fix, and all of them have loved just about every box that they've received. I think that maybe all 4 of them kept everything in their first box, which is very impressive if I do say so myself. Well done, Stitch Fix. Well done. All right, and I think that's everything. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.